In this video, you can learn how to redirect a domain to another domain in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next, in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which will bring us to the cPanel Settings page. In cPanel Settings page, we need to click and enter the Redirects section. In the Redirects page, we need to fill in all the information in these fields. In the first field, select the type of redirection for the domain, either a permanent redirect or a temporary redirect. A permanent redirection is required for longer periods, usually more than a year. You can select a temporary redirection for a shorter duration, less than a year, or for a specific need, like redirecting the domain for an event that will end in a month. In this field, select the domain which you want to redirect. And in the Redirects To field, enter the domain to which you want your domain in GoDaddy to be redirected to. And here, select the second option to redirect with or without www. And to end the setup, click the Add button. And done. The domain redirection has been set up. We can confirm the redirection in the browser. Once we refresh the domain in the browser, the first domain has been redirected to the second domain set up in GoDaddy. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.